The total square area of each floor on your plan is shown below the floor title. Tap into a room to access the room menu. Here you can see if the room area is included and to which group it belongs. On this plan, we want to remove the garage, workshop and woodshed from the total area and show them separately. Access the room menu and then tap on Group Main, and then select the Garages group. The double garage area has now been subtracted from the main area and added to a new Garages group. Let's do the same for the workshop and woodshed and group them as outbuildings. The area grouping options can help clarify and detail various parts of your plan.